Look at that. One full wall there, this whole wall. I know it looks rough, it looks rustic. That's what we wanted. I like it. Really happy with it. It's all insulated. It's gonna be nice and warm and cool. But yeah, I woke up at like 5 a.m. this morning and came out here and started working. We're taking off today because we're going to the zoo. I'm going with you. You wanna go?
Yeah.
So I can't work on this for the rest of the day, and we're leaving on a trip down in St. George tomorrow. So I've got a guy coming out here to help us finish it up, and hopefully when we get back, it'll all be... Wow, buddy, you're ripping on that harmonica. Let me hear you play it. He's pretty good, huh, Indy? Hey, Bobby D, where's your guitar? Are you guys ready to go to the zoo or what? I've been neglecting my stock and barrel duties lately because I've been working on the shop, but I have been working on a camera strap. Well, I was working on a camera strap before I started out there. This is just a dummy, basically. This leather's way too thin to be a strap all on its own, but this is what I'm working on. It's gonna be a good one. The difference will be that the leather will be doubled up and stitched together. I just wanted to make sure I have my lengths right. There'll be a button stud right here holding it together. As soon as I get done with all those shenanigans out there, I'm gonna come in here and knock out like 4 or 5 camera straps because we've got some new camera equipment. I want to get everything set up. If everything works well, then I'll get some pictures and put them up on the website. Who wants to go to the zoo?
Me!
We're going to the zoo, to the zoo, to the zoo. Indy, are you gonna drive us there?
No,
I don't really feel like driving today. What are you doing back there?
Say, Dad, I'm too excited.
You just want to get into the zoo and see some monkeys? Wesley, is that your cousin? Looks just like you.
That's how he walks.
What is this?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my that's so cool.
What's your spirit animal? Bear cub? Chupacabra?
Yes.
Sasquatch? What's yours?
Cheetah.
A cheetah? Why? Because you're so fast?
Yes.
Yeah, I believe that. Let me see how fast you are. Whoa, that's fast.
You're a lion.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. I'm probably like a mini horse.
Am I a wolf?
Whoa, is that a stock and barrel original?
Yeah.
Dang. 52 Buck Brown vertical.
Nice.
Okay. 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 Are you guys gonna share that with me or?
No, better go get your own.
Jeez. Well, I might want to go to the joint. There's Gigi. We lost everyone. We were all separated for a bit. And then we reunited. You coming?
Yeah, I needed a drink.
You gotta stay with us. We're gonna go see the, what's in here?
Okay, but you might want to go see the crocodigators. He has a bunny in his mouth.
What?
Are you serious?
And there's a dead bunny floating.
And there's another one floating.
Oh my gosh. That's kind of sad.
Look at that, he's still got it in his mouth.
I don't like those.
Haven, what is it? What are they called?
What are those?
Makes like amateur. Ah, that's pretty good. You want to go back to the zoo already?
Yeah.
We're actually still here. We have to leave before you say we can come back. We had a good time at the zoo, huh? Baby zebras?
Yeah.
Did you see some?
No.
Oh, Okay, let's make it through this. This is a safety hazard. Woo! We made it. Made it. We beat you guys.
No?
Indy, say see you later, Zoo.
See you later, Zoo.
See you in a few years.
2 years.
No, we'll see you when Indy graduates from college.
No.
That was some pretty good timing. It just started dumping rain as soon as we got in. You can't plan that kind of stuff. Let's go get dinner. Fast, fast, fast. We beat everybody. We're pretty fast. We beat you guys.
I know, you guys
Dang it.
You bunch of slow
Next
pokes. You better step up your game. Duck. 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 Goose. Got you. Goose.
Pete, I think Remy's mad at you.
Rem, are you mad?
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's it for today. That's all you get from us. We're done. We're out of here. We're going home. What said I'm being rude? Okay, love you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. See you next time. See you Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. We'll see you next time I post a video.
See you, bye.
I promise you we're going to be doing lots of tutorials, but we're mixing in some of these vlogs too. So if you're wondering why we haven't done a tutorial, I don't have a good answer for you. I've been busy at the shop, but we're vlogging. Okay, love you guys, bye. I just wanted to check on John's work. Oh, okay. Looks like he never even came back. Fair enough. It looks exactly the same way it did when we left. I'm just gonna turn this light off. And shut this. All right, I guess he'll be starting on that tomorrow. Bummer, that's fine. He's probably busy, but I was excited to see the updates. Oh, my water. We're gonna be heading on that trip to St. George, but as soon as we get back, I'll be getting back to all my regular stock and barrel duties, like testing new products, getting caught up on emails. All right, that's it for today. Love you guys, bye.